Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a 3/4 Designs design team layout using captured moments. And we have the tuck and play cards, so I will be using those. Look at how fun those are. So I do have a whole unboxing of this on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. We gotta figure out. Oh, I almost started coughing. Sorry. What we're going to use for today. This is all our cut aparts and all that fun stuff. What photos do we want to scrap? We have so many to choose from. I don't want to do the storms. Without those, that would be kind of nice, wouldn't it? Let's do those two. Let's throw that one in there for good measure. So that's at work. Don't mind the mess that we are. It was super hot. It was the Eclipse. And we have all of these fun ones. So this is actually right back here's the guy that I'm going to Germany with. And this is another supervisor. This is a customer service. This is our big boss, the director. So we're just kind of sitting in the grass watching the eclipse, actually. So, and Priya started taking pictures of me, so that's Priya. So we're going to do that one. And I like that. Let's see what we can find to play with. Kind of like that. I do like that. So I'm just kind of like flipping through to see what we want to use. I do like that too, though. Oh, okay. So I've got these. I really like that, but I really like that camera. Could do that. Not really that much of a contrast for me. What if we do this and then we'll figure out how to get them in there? So let's do that, and to mat the photos. Should we actually even do something like this? Well, you know what? I kind of like that, and then mat the photos in that wood grain. Yeah, let's do that. See how it all changes. So let me go ahead and do that. I am going to trim those photos down. Get all kinds of stuff working and moving and grooving. So pop some of these off, figure out what I want to use, fussy cuts, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got that all matted. I've got these all popped up in a fun little cluster. See what I mean by sometimes the A2G and the foam don't play nice together. So we're just going to put this in the middle. I went ahead and fussy cut out some items from the Chuck and Play cards. So you see, I just come in and just dab in some liquid glue as well, so that will help hold it. I've got everything matted. So we're just gonna pop that right about there, and then this is everything that we've went in and fussy cut. So could start tucking these items in. This one right there, and we have this fun little piece. feel like if we get stuck there, I think I like it up there with that one. Just do that. So really just trying to get the clusters in. So I don't know if you guys have checked out third quarter, but you must head to the website. Do we want to put this? We're going to run this one off the page. I do like running things off the page almost as much as I like tucking things onto photos. So we'll trim that off. I cut out this girl because I want to use her. Kind of just tuck her right down there. Maybe? Yes? No? Maybe. What do you think? Oh, I kind of like that. I do. I always have to look in the screen as well to get like an overhead view of it. Just get her. And she'll kind of look like she's part of this down here. If I could get her on there straight. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and do some fun. My contacts are going dry. You guys ever have that problem? So I'm just, all I do is I just bend them up so that we can just come in and tuck. So tuck them in there. Then we get this one, so I just pinch. Just kind of use your fingers. And it just gives them a little bit more of like a realistic 3D vibe. And anything that runs off the page, we'll just trim it right up. But then that makes the background look like it goes on forever. Oh, sorry. Forever and ever and ever. Okay. Just slide this one right there. And let's get this. We're gonna need a title. What should our title be? Okay. This says, wherever there is light, one can always photograph. But I thought that would be a good little saying because this is the eclipse, so, you know, it was not totality where I was. I don't want to cover Ashley's head up. I think we'll just put it there. Let's pop that one up on some foam. It was like it was meant to be. That's why you save all those little pieces, right? And then the only thing that I think we want to add is going to be some little jemmies. What color should we go with? Not upside down. I'm actually certain that I have one of these little, I have a peach color. How's that? for being certain. It's my rainbow array, so that's just from my stash. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these around the layout. You will see those at the end. And that's my leftovers, but we will use that on the next layout. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.